المباراة الاستعراضية ما بين مانشستر سيتي والعين تنتهي بثلاثية نظيفة لمانشستر سيتي. معي في هذه اللحظات سمير نصري. Welcome in Abu Dhabi. Obviously you guys are winning everything on your way.
No, you know, even if it was a friendly game, we wanted to come here, play and win the game, because we never saw our fans in the Emirates, and it was really important to come here and to show that even if it's a friendly game and the end of the season, we take it seriously.
How different is celebration outside Manchester? Celebration with the owner, with your fans in Emirates and Abu Dhabi?
You know, it's I didn't think the passion was that strong in here. I had a signing session at the mall, and it was fantastic to share that with the fan. And after, it's always a privilege to meet the owner. It was my first time, and you know, he showed us a lot of respect and did something amazing for us. So it was as well our way to come here to show him how grateful we are.
How do you find the stadium, the arena that you played today, and officially it's the opening for it?
The stadium from outside was amazing. Inside as well, it has a good atmosphere. You know, like it has everything. The only thing it was difficult for us is the weather is really hot in here. So otherwise, everything they have the installation to be a top club in Europe. This club in here. So like they're really lucky.
Obviously, you have a lot of fans. Some of them came to the field.
Yes, and it's nice. Like I said, they never can see us. It's the first time they saw us. So you know, I saw two fans to come and wanted to hug me. That's what I did, because I want to make them happy, and I think they were really happy at the end.
Sadly, we won't see you on the World Cup, the upcoming one.
Yeah, it's life. It's the maktub, you know. It wasn't supposed to be that way. It's good news for my club. I'm gonna go on holiday, rest, and come back fresh for the pre-season.
Next season, where do you think Manchester City will be? What are your targets?
Like I said, when you play for Manchester City, you need to win a trophy every season. So we're gonna try to defend our title and play. And go as far as possible in Champions League, because that's our next step, to put Manchester City in its place of one of the biggest clubs in Europe.
Samir, shukran. Enjoy your holiday in Abu Dhabi and the Emirates.
Thank you very much.